After garlic, onion, and then tomato. Put chicken cubes, 1 piece only, and then ginger. Next, sanud, black pepper, jerfa, bay leaves, chili, green chili, 6 pieces, toast, lemon dry. Add 2 small yogurt and ghee oil. There. That is for biryani. Biryani recharge. Chicken biryani. I-add natin yung kurkum, basar, chili powder, at saka mutton biryani powder. Okay, i-add natin. Kahit mga tag 1 teaspoon lang. Okay. Wait guys, add ko. Ayan. Ina-add ko na yung chili powder. 1 teaspoon. Basal, 1 teaspoon. Kurkum, 1 teaspoon. Sanud powder, half teaspoon. And then, chili powder, 1 teaspoon. At saka, mutton biryani powder, 1 teaspoon. At last nito guys, water, mga 2 glass of water. Tapos add salt to taste, and then let them boil low fire for just 10 minutes to absorb this all ingredients for our menu for today. Chicken rice biryani, chicken rice. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo yung ano ko guys. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung mutton biryani powder, kurkum, sanud powder, black pepper powder, sanud, chili, basar, at saka kurkum. That is for biryani. Bye! See you next video.